going to a Himalayan Handicrafts, and that's in Old Downtown. So, but before that, we're going to meet our friend TJ and Jasmine in, what's that Mexican place again?
El Centro.
El Centro. So, let's go now. Let's go now. I don't have seatbelt yet. You have your seatbelt on? Okay. Alright. Check it out.
Just make sure you don't.
I don't know. Just want to make sure I'm not gonna touch it. And then now I can go on like this. Ta-da! And then drive. Okay. We can drive here. I'll just check this out. There's a lot of stuff that you can see here. You'll see necklaces, mirror. Wow. Teas from Nepal. You're getting some teas, love?
Oh yeah, I'm getting something. I'm not spending more money after today. This is sober mahal.
You're gonna get one.
I'm gonna get one, and I'm gonna save the box. This is the kind of box I would keep for myself, and use it
like
multiple
that too.
times. Yeah,
How much is that?
$11. There's tea.
cool.
There's tea inside.
You're gonna get that one, right? Yeah,
Oh,
you
look
should.
at these right here. What?
And also, if you want the scent, because remember you told me this scent brings back like you're in outside the country, then might as well just get a
Incense.
candle.
Oh, I should get. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you will.
You want a candle?
Yeah, but your mom might not like
Yeah,
it.
it's not up to mom. It's up to us. It's
Okay.
for our room, right?
Oh, okay.
By
Up
the
to
way,
me.
you get this? I'll get that.
It's $9.99 and it's on sale, so might as well get
We
some
can burn it for
candles
like an
out.
hour a day. Like make it last for.
Yeah. They also have bar soaps and is it all from Nepal?
I think of Thailand.
Yeah, their bags are like real pretty.
All things are interesting stuff. It's like it's Eastern mysticism.
They also have this bandana.
Metaphysics is like
So
the scientific
pretty.
term of them trying to understand Eastern mysticism, which is something that's been understood through
And cool stuff. So you have to check this out.
having to do with it.
Soap lamps and mask.
Yeah, they have carried.
It's actually huge. There are more Buddhas over here. You also have rubber band. It's like you can see assorted.
Oh, that's awesome. That's far away. That's very far.
11:57.
I want to go to Nepal.
We will. We'll go to Sri Lanka, India, Nepal.
So one day, right?
Bhutan for one day. Expensive. Yeah.
Yes.
I know it's like far here.
Wow, it's so cute.
Is it different for the police? You don't think you know? Oh, okay.
Dresses. I'm not sure if it's included in the store. So let me go back.
I've been there in the US here.
There are more of dresses here. I don't know what's the sign, but they look good.
It's the best. People are very nice. Like, when I was in Thailand.
Magnets.
Yeah, exactly. And I was in Thailand, I always see these things. And
We
this
eat
is
this in
what you remind
Thailand.
me of.
Something like this.
Temples, Buddhist temples. Is Nepal Buddhist? Or is it kind of like a different kind of?
Different Buddhist, Hindu is mixed.
Gotcha. Cool. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice day. See you again.
I wanna get that. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna put all of my trippers
No,
there.
that's my box.
Okay. So guys, if you wanted to check out like all of these products, then you can see it in the heart of the old downtown, and just go here. I'm gonna link that on the description below, so check that out.
That's my favorite shop.
1940, look. 1900. 1885. Wow.
So that's how it looks like before.
Yeah.
Where is this one?
This used to be a hospital,
Oh, okay.
a Civil War hospital.
Uh-huh.
And Winchester changed hands in the Civil War like 50 times. So it was a Confederate and a Union hospital.
Oh, that's interesting. Wow.
Yeah, so it's like pretty haunted. And it looks pretty much the same as it does today.
What's building is that though?
Yeah.
That
what
one's
is-
the,
It's like, you can't recognize this thing.
I can.
That's McAdoo's?
Yeah,
So they're eating in a
it's a
hospital.
restaurant. Yep.
Oh, no wonder Ghostbusters moved into town. Try to figure something out.
It's hard to recognize this, like this place.
Yeah,
this
it
being
is.
that. It's like, wow.
Like, where do they even
How
get
things
these
have
pictures?
upgraded. Yeah,
Archives, libraries, historians, churches. It's cool. I like this type of stuff. I wonder what building this would be for a museum.
right. Isn't that?
Yep. It's a Civil War museum now.
Oh, okay.
It must have been like City Hall.
Oh, my brothers and sisters.
Look, they didn't have cars. Or black people.
That's like an old Ford.
Oh,
Yeah.
true.
Must be like a Model T or something.
That's cute.
Yeah,
They can drive it.
So that's not bad.
that's pretty dope.
Yeah, they definitely do. Because they're always standing there like, wow, what if we had cars?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe it makes a milkshake.
I thought it was like a charger for your phone.
Probably the
Like
first.
if you pay, the thing opens up really quick so you can charge. I was wrong.
But cool idea. That's an innovative idea though. I wish that it was a
They have stuff like that.
yeah. Not in the city. In Nova, they have outlets everywhere.
Unbelievable. Phone's dead. Oh my god, I need to charge it. So good.
It's okay.
She's a race car driver.
Not really. I'm on 25.
With how you're turning, it feels like we're going 250.
Come on, love. It's 25 here. It's 25.
Look at that. She mocks the teacher. Gosh. She has so much nerve to do that. Come on, love. It's
People.
20 here. Just kidding. It's like 15, but 20. Take it easy, love. Take it easy.
It's easy, right? Oh my
Take
gosh.
it easy.
Here you go again.
Yeah,
Back in
watch. Yeah, back in. Although I am gonna leave it right now, but still. You can try. Not try, but you gotta do it. You gotta do it right. There you go. You're getting there. You're getting the hang of it. It's almost a pang of it. Just look at the camera. Look at the side. Like, how close are you to the grass? Where are you on the? It doesn't matter where you, if you're not or not. You make sure that you're in the right place.
Tonight is a perfect parking!
Pretty good.
I know!
Pretty good.
I know!
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Park and then close.
Let's be the judges of that. Let's have a look first. Okay, not bad.
Ah, it's perfect! Oh my god!
Wow, accomplishments, right?
It's perfect! It's perfect, perfect, perfect! Perfect!
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I know.
Let's make sure they're humble. They know that they didn't do perfect, but they did pretty good. Perfect comes down the road. All right.
Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching our video for today. See you on the next one. Bye!